Good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing? Let me quickly check audio, video, and everything. Today's session is going to be very much important for all types of traders. So, I will be looking at these different currency pairs as well. Plus, you may have seen the title Beyond the Trend Lines. What is it? Do you know? What is beyond trend lines? There are hidden liquidity zones. With the help of trend line, what we do, we find hidden liquidity zones in forex markets, especially gold market structures. So make sure if you are watching me later, the recorded one, this stream is going to be full of new information for all of you. Very peaceful, very chill, very nice, very beautiful, very relaxed day it is. In my Telegram channel, I shared a signal early this afternoon as soon as when the London open, and as per that particular plan, there is something going on the gold market. So let me do, because it opened with a gap as well, so we have to find out that where are those liquidity zones, the hidden liquidity zones behind these trend lines, so that we can catch them and then we make profit out of them. Okay, if you see my videos and when I do the forecast and everything, you may have experienced that so many setups come in front of me, and that is perhaps one reason of these hidden liquidity zones, because once your eye is trained to see them, you actually see them, and then you take your decisions accordingly. Anyways, I don't want to give any lecture or something, but I'm just saying, I'm sharing my own thoughts with you. Okay, no lecture, nothing. Having tea, nice slow market. I said early, those who want to make money, they make money in the first quarter of the year. I already told you. Now, every time the market is not the same. For example, today, this is like I have a very good video on mood of the market. But I mean, like, it doesn't mean there is no setup present in this market. There will be setup present. Okay, see, all the setups I have clearly mentioned and discussed. But for now, let's see, this area seems to be making trouble. There are liquidity zones in these charts. Okay, for example, what is a liquidity zone? Well, my friend, like, if I tell you, like, most traders are drawing trend lines on gold. Okay, Most trend lines are, like most traders are, drawing these trend lines on gold. But let me tell you something. Very honestly, I'm telling you this. Trend lines don't move the market, okay? Liquidity zones, they does. I will be bringing a recorded, properly scripted video on this topic for all of you, but for now understand that trend lines, remember, they don't move the market, liquidity does. How? If people are selling it, they see that okay, liquidity is down there. And this gap, if I tell you, my friend, this is some cheating, I should say. See, some cheating. My broker is very good, that's why I'm safe. Otherwise, people have stop losses below this that did not triggered, resulting in 1000 pips of a further drawdown. So till at this stage, my stop loss 200, 250 pip, that was good. But if my broker was not good, I would have to suffer a lot of the risk right here. So make sure to choose your broker very wisely. My friends, when there is a good setup, now let's see the liquidity zones a little bit. My friend, let me tell you, this tea is very nice. Try to grab a cup of coffee if you can, or tea. Since it is evening time right here, so I avoid having coffee in the evening. Out there in the USA, it's morning yet. And there are, I have friends, they even have coffee in the night time as well. But so let me check the audio, video, everything. So then today's session is going to be super beneficial, informational for everyone. My day is going very superb, very fantastic. Let's see, anyone who is holding this sell has a stop loss of 47, 46. Early it was 47.54. Now it should be right here. And for the take profit, I think take profit for this one seems for now as this. Now let me see the telegram. This is 46.78. So on the telegram which I shared, what was that? My friend's telegram is paid right here as well. Take profit of 46.66. Okay, as per that plan. 46.66. Can be a bigger one, but if we see it on the lower time frames such as the 15-minute, yes, if any candle closes below this 15-minute candle, then on the 1 minute it can drop 300 pips very nicely. The best one and the best area is this. I'm adjusting it a little bit, 46.78. Okay, anyone who is with me from the Telegram channel, make sure to update the TP at 46.78. Remember, these are demo trades. And yes, on the lower time frames there will be a lot of stuff going on today. Okay, mostly the market ranged. So beautiful buying I am expecting right here. Okay, beautiful one, and I will be nicely waiting for it. Why nicely waiting for it? Because those, my friends, those who don't wait for the market, they lose everything. This market should not be taken as really a very simple thing. Okay, it's not as that as well. Let me put this win noise shield. It's good now. So actual thing is that we do really need to understand these pros and cons of the market. Remember, my friends, motivation will never come automatically. We need to motivate ourselves. And once we motivate each other, then without motivation, nothing might be possible. Why? Because if one is not motivated, he may not be able to trade. Simple. Why? Because there is no motivation. Motivation means happiness. When we are happy, we are motivated. When we are angry, we are revengeful. When we are getting FOMO, we are greedy. Remember, FOMO comes with greed. I can guarantee you, you are not going to find such information anywhere on the internet, which I am going to share right here on my channel. Nowhere. Yes, for quick scalping we can scalp, but for scalping, which is that wait level for me, where I will be waiting for the market. Maybe if we do the trend line study and stuff, this level already played once. Okay, very nicely for 250 pips. See, my friends, this is how profits are made. Okay, simple trend line going up, breakdown, retest, boom, then another boom. If one missed this one, could get this one. Since it was a support, one could buy right here. When I remember when I was a beginner, and if someone tell me as this, that see it is as this, then I used to say, oh, practically this is not possible. Well, my friend, if I think that practically this is not possible, then how can it be possible? Our brain shapes this, our outer world. What we believe happens. But right now is that proof. Why that this proof came in right here? Because I obviously, my friends, did my own proper study on this. Now do you want to know? This is now a different distribution channel right here. Now do you know distribution channels? You will not know the distribution phase, or perhaps you will be looking at the distribution phase very differently because people have told you that this is the distribution phase. But now the actual distribution phase has to be looked as this. Yes, these bulls are not crazy who are in 93 pips of a take profit. Okay, because as per the distribution channel, what happen is it has to go back up till at this price point. So they are aiming for further 100 pips. Now tell me, what happens if this distribution pattern fail? If it fails, Market is straight going back up. Early in the morning, what did I say? No one in this market is 100% sure what the market is going to do next. We have to find it, the direction of the market from its footprints, and then we have to take our decisions in that way. If for example right here one is waiting for a sell, and right here the market creates such an image that it is going for a breakout, and most of the traders then enter into a buy, they sit in a buying boat and boom, stopped out, and then the market continue back up and the trader is left with regrets, and regrets leads to revenge trading, FOMO, greed, sadness and depression. Yes, 95% of the traders who quit Forex trading, they first cannot quit Forex trading. Secondly, even if they quit, they are depressed. They further cannot focus. Okay, they feel vomiting when they come in front of the screen. I'm lucky I haven't seen such time, but I also have seen such very bad times. Okay, bad times, my friends. Today I'm living happily, alhamdulillah, with your prayers. I'm living happy if I have more money or less money, whatever it is. I built myself. I can proudly say right here at my home, in relatives and circles, that I'm a Forex trader. Did you lose anything when they ask me? Oh no, I didn't lost anything. Now I make money. See my car. Well, it's okay. It may not be a Ferrari or this and that. It might be a Honda City 2006, but I can upgrade it. If I say nah, right now I want to make $20,000 to buy a new car, what will happen? Just imagine. The existing things that we have, we will lose in this market. This much deadly market this is. I just don't want to give false hopes. I want to show you the reality. Because later we will be working long term on these strategies, on these trend lines. This is something new in the market that I'm sharing. No one is sharing it. Some people call it liquidity trap, some people call it liquidity zones, order blocks. Everything is a different name of the same thing, remember. Any comments for me? You are welcome. HK Wines, thank you. Yes, and you know, when you make profit, when I was a beginner and I made profit, so back then like $1 was too much for me. When I made $1, let's say, I said, oh, I made $1 and this is just in the morning, and now the whole day I have left and I'm pro and I'm this and I'm that, and now, and imagine this is one I'm telling, at least I have like around 3 to 4 months in Forex without getting any mentorship, without getting anything. This is that time. So I say, okay, wow, $1 I made, let's take another trade, let's take and ultimately stuck in a bad trade, and that same trade took everything out of me, leaving me depressed. Imagine, a moment ago you were happy, a moment after you are sad. The happiness was extreme, the sadness was extreme. My friends, we need to build that balance. We need to bring this balance. If we don't bring the balance, this market is going to beat us. This market will be beating us. Discipline we can bring together by learning new things, by finding, like, you know, these markets are evolving. Everything is evolving right now. Even you see, 5 years ago there was no AI, nothing. Even there are machines, robots which works for humans. Everything is evolving, so how come this possible Forex market will not be evolved? Because there are AI bots trading for the big companies. So in order to compete with them, we need to evolve with this evolving market. 10 years ago, there were no liquidity pinpoints as such. 10 years ago, if I tell you. 10 years ago, no, nothing. Right now, like before 10 years, what happened? Simple trend line, touch it, book your profit, go to home, enjoy the profit. These days, there are hidden liquidity zones, so this concept was not there. And when I was analyzing it, so when I see that, okay, let's see very nicely that, okay, this is a liquidity area. A lot of the bulls are waiting to buy right here. Have you ever listened the term obvious? Now, my friend, wasn't this obvious for a buy? Just have a look at it. Liquidity is keep stopping the sellers, right here, keep stopping the sellers, then keep stopping the sellers, keep stopping the sellers. It came back down, and at this same place it became seller itself. These bulls were stopping out the sellers, stopping out the sellers, stopping out the sellers, stopping out the sellers, become a seller itself. Liquidity tried to test this trend line so that more and more people can join who thinks their way. And boom. Here, because there was a support level, so they ran out of fuel. They let it go. Hit another retest and then another attack. And even on this slow day, people lost thousands and thousands of the dollars, while the market makers and those professional traders, they made thousands and thousands and millions of dollars today. Why? Because of these evolving markets understanding. If we don't understand them, if we don't try to understand them, because you know what happens when we are holding the trade, what happens is, for example, right here, one moment ago I was building my dream house or buying my dream car, and a moment after there is nothing. So that mind gets empty, and that's why most of the traders, I'm telling you, are moody. They switch their moods. Did someone tell you this? If you are a beginner, make sure if you really want to become a good trader, you will have to become moody. Yes, this is true at the start. So after 10 years working in this market, my friends, right now I'm working on my mood, because Forex, everything, alhamdulillah, is done. Now it's time for my health, because the mental health issues that I faced during these 10 years, not because of a strategy not working, but because building my own self. Okay, building my own self. In the morning I tell you, I know it's going up, but it's also coming back down. I get confused. I said, it is going up as well, it is coming back down as well. Oh, how people are going to trade it? But when your mind and anyone who has like a long vision, ultimately that person reaches to its destination. No matter how hard the path is, how hard the way is, but one day people reach there. So out of 100 people, 5 people get successful, 95% quit. And after 10 years, I'm saying it, I'm in that 5%, alhamdulillah, and I'm so happy for it. The more thanks I say, the less it will be. Okay, and everything is transparently throughout these whole years. I have transparently shared everything. So my friends, these are those liquidity traps, followed by these channels of weird type looking triangles. They are I had a friend, he used to say, what the Aftab, this is a type of a triangle. Now how do I trade? Do I need to take a buy from here, right here? Still, this is a triangle, this is a block. Sometimes it will be as block as this, sometimes the blocks will be different. Different blocks you can trade. On the New Zealand US dollar, I saw a block that day, if I remember, yes, here. Sometimes it will be as this, right? See, the buy worked right here, the sell worked right here, the buy worked right here. Every level I gave. Did I made these levels myself? No, I have a strategy. Once you understand these liquidity and these trend line alone is enough for you. If you do it with passion, it will automatically take you to the liquidity zones. Breakout points, remember in simple words, are liquidity zones. Okay, let me head over to your chat. Who is with me, by the way, today? Is the stream okay now? Or is it still lagging? 26-minute stream today I did. Yes, HK Wines, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp, no problem. Consider me your friend, okay? Yes, you can text me on WhatsApp. Okay, now my friends, the topic is done. Okay, today's topic. I hardly take 25-30 minutes in the topic. Then, my friends, let me get a little bit relaxed now. We are going to spend a lot of time today. Don't go anywhere, okay? That's great, HK Wine. Let's see what is the 1 minute doing. Wow. Good. Good buying opportunity. Scalping one from right here. Further 84 pips. They are taking it back up there, okay? 42.27, 42.30, 47, 45 as well. Let's see. This trade setup that I gave, it should be closed by now. Okay, it completed its wave. I hope you made some profit from it. Let's see, I was going to take a trade on the USD CAD. I was going to take it from right here, but it moved from right here. So nice 17 pips I could easily make right here. But my friend, let's see, for quick scalping this USD CAD seems, let's see, the H4. Earlier I took some trades right here, 30 pips. I think gold is the best. Okay, gold can give very fantastic profits. Fantastic means fantastic profits. Okay, fantastic profits it gave. So let's see if it break it here or if we get a chance to sell from here. Here, okay. Let's see. But I'm not going to sell from there in that situation, because see, I don't want any break above from this. I will need a break below from this trend line. And see, there is a cross, so the market dropped from there. These are blocks, okay? This is that liquidity area which is sweep. Liquidity sweep occurred right here. So I think it is going back up there, and then maybe from there it can drop. Good profits it gave earlier from the sell scalping. Now one thing, those traders who were looking to sell right here, they did something bad right here on the lower time frames. Well, yes, on the 15-minute time frames, if one hold a sell on this candle, see this price action, that's fine. But scalping by selling right here, that was false breakout. Sure to understand these things nicely. Let's see this level, okay? 47.28 it can be, but maybe this time it can be 47.45. The ultimate one is obviously that. While for this sell entry, actually this liquidity is above like 47.54 right here. Okay, because then the market will fill this whole gap and then will easily drop from there. So a nice 400-500 pips can be generated. So either a sell from there or a buy from there. In the middle, we don't chase it. And scalping wise, yes, it's going nicely bullish. Book profits any amount you can. 47.45 seems very nice. With a very less stop loss, 100 pips can generate 200 pips. Safest one it is. Even if you get 200 pips out of it, still that's not bad. This cross level is a little bit freaking to me at this stage, but let's see. Okay, let's wait, okay? I'm with you, okay? Don't go anywhere. I'm with you. So let's see. Okay, remember, we actually need to open our eyes, and if we don't, then we are just wasting our time. Okay, time waste, remember, is not good. Now emotional trader is going to buy from here 176 pips further on the breakout. Beautiful. Move stops to break even. This is the area where it can potentially do something. Let's move this chart right here for the 1 minute, 15-minute combination. Okay, and this is working as this. Remember, this is on 15-minute, and if it breaks, then my friend, it will be as this. Okay, remember. But the thing is, let's see if it is going to break or not. As a scalper, if we see scalping, well, I think not a very good zone in front of me, I guess, for scalping, because this is crazy going up. Okay, let's wait right here or right here. My ideal place will be 47, 45. Let's wait. Price is going there. We will be trading it together. But in the price action, see, this is a bearish one. So if this present candle is a retest of this high, then it can reverses back. So on the basis of that, one can easily plan a sell trade now, quick one. Okay, from there, not from right here, from up there. Remember, from up there. Walnis Walwick, hi, how are you doing? One moment. Intraday it is. Intraday, okay. Intraday means like you take trade and then close it. So this is the intraday level. And this is the ongoing rally. Those sellers who look at it 46.78 are looking at it as this. But I say wait is always better. Either a sell from there or a buy from there. And patiently we need to wait for the market. And this is what I'm doing for 10 years. That's why I'm right here in front of you. Okay, my friends. And make sure to check out that strategy. I will be taking a surprise test from all of you. Yes. You guys need to give me a surprise test. Otherwise, no live streams then. You know, people love learning. Like, people learn something. People learn something new. Why they learn it? Because they obviously want to improve their life. So if one doesn't learn, what will happen? That person will have either his money from the parents, okay, big money, which obviously I didn't have. I belong to a lower middle class, okay, lower middle class, even not in the middle, upper middle, lower middle class. Father used to go to office, come back by the end of the month, have salary, pay the school fee, this and that. And when I completed my graduation, my dad told me go for a job. I said no, I'm interested in business. Started several businesses, but I think there is nothing compared to Forex. There is like I tried different businesses in my lifetime, but I only get stuck with this trading. And this is my good luck, okay? Whatever the past problems I have faced, I have seen, I have witnessed, was to make me a better person. Not just in trading, but in life as well. In life as well. Friends, wherever you are, in whichever country you are, remember, try to be human, okay? You will always be successful. Attempt from the sellers. See, sellers got activated, but the bulls are very crazy, and this is almost NY session open. And one more thing, the session high, the Asian session high has not yet been hit. So when it will be hitting it, see, this will be the highest point of the day with us. So most traders will be emotionally buying right here. And then there will be a chance the market can drop back from there. Okay. And remember, even if the market go up straight from here, still from there, this market is going to as this. I will be looking at it as this. Okay. First, since it is a Monday, so on a Monday, markets are comparatively slow. So I think take profit hits. Let this give this area to the market. Just let it mind their own business. Then from here we can again become bulls. Or okay, because for a holding sell position, I think this is not a very good level. Because see, the market will come back as this, and there will be this probability that it can retest this level, see this broken level, and then from here it will continue back up and we will be stuck. So I just don't like that. Okay, this is the first thing that is going to happen, but if it fails, then this will be for sure. Okay, now this is the trader's own methodology and technique, that how that trader catches it for himself. This is that liquidity area. Okay, this is also liquidity area, some liquidity above there. Wherever there is liquidity, market will be moving to that side of the market. Now liquidity build up right here. Losers will lose till here, and winners will enter from right here as a bull, while the losers will enter as a seller right here, because they just want to play with the psychology of the people. What do you say? Is it enough, or shall I sit right here further for a little bit more time? Now this is this technical thing, okay? If I tell you to completely be safe and completely be relaxed, if we stay with this is again, I'm telling you a new thing. Staying inside zones can make our job easy. See it, okay? And what did I say in the morning? What did I say? That 100% it is going back up there. Where? Here. Now if this happens, we will have 100% surety that okay, now this is going to happen. But it's a very slow market, so till at this place, let's see it, okay? Let's see dollar CAD if it is dropping nicely so I can sell. I think I have let's see. Oh, it's still there. There is a good chance of a double bottom then. Otherwise I was about to sell, but I did actually sell, but I leave the position right here with just 20 pips TP. Not too good, especially for those who trade gold, but so yes, let it drop till here, then maybe I will go for an attempt for a buy. And yes, gold is nicely going up, okay? I'm here, okay? Going up, okay? Going up. Book profits. Still going up till there. 155 pips still move. Expected up. On a scalping area, this is now our broken point. SL should be below this. Okay. And take profit up there. Fresh entries on a retest of this. Fresh entries as this can be planned. Read candles, okay? That tells us a lot of the story. I think it's going straight up. Currency pairs are completely dead today. Well, there is a scalping buy, but no, I just don't like NZD USD. USD CAD for a scalping. Well, yes, I'm going to sell it from maybe right here for a quick, but take profit will be like 10 pips only. quick scalping on the dollar CAD looks as this. Okay, on the gold, let's see, nose down, along the way book profits side by side. Okay, book profits. Let's see US tech as well. Wow, beautiful drop. Same big gap right here again. Ooh, 3300 pips. It is going nicely, yes. But the thing is, this story I didn't like much. Market is anyways going to fill this gap. Okay, right here, and this support it has created today, the fresh one. Well, yes, upon a pullback till at this zone right here and here, it's good to buy, but right here I think it can come down a little bit. Okay, see, this level is broken, retesting this 400 pips drop. It is showing me now. Let's see if it gives me or not. No selling at this stage. Okay, no selling. We will be buying on retracement only in the NY session. Once I leave, then see, there is this thing as well, which indicates a move up till 47.89 and up move again for around 630 pips. It can happen right now, my friends. It can happen right now, but if it happens, then oh, breakout 47, 45, 47, 41. Let's see it right here, 47.80, and this level is 47.67, and this is, my friend, I think it can stop. First, let's see it near 47.41. A beautiful market it is. Let's see if we have seen volume on the dollar CAD. I'm going to short it. I'm buying it right here, but this is giving me 10 pips, because you know, right here, if I take it on the H4 with this much stop loss, it will be fine. Otherwise it's not good. Okay, so any amount it gives me later, I will close 120 pips of a take profit from the dollar CAD. And gold US dollar, obviously I don't trade, but this is valid buying upon further break of this level. Beautiful buying further. 47.45 is expected for now. So if you learn this way, you will be always making profit. Things start to get worse when we don't learn. Yes, my friends, when we don't learn, things start to get complicated. Then we say, why this happened, why that happened, why this, why that, why that. Because we ourselves are not prepared for our decisions, and then we say this market is responsible for that. No, see, market did its level best. Those who didn't catch this buy trade, they didn't From right here, those who didn't catch it, that day I said 3 touches. When it's give the third touch, it has to go nicely up. I said it. So my friends, try to learn these things. If one doesn't, means like that person is just wasting his time and money. Okay. Sell zone starting, but right here, these are FOMO, because from right here the buying as well. And 47, 45 seems a little bit compromised as well. I made on that practice account from 30 USD, I turned it into 120 US dollar. So I bought a phone for my son for that. No, 47.60 it can wake up, but let's see. Okay, proper wait, patience, then we will be catching it. Not like nicely we are going to catch it right here, or maybe if a drop occurs then this, but first let's see. Okay, those traders are good who are disciplined. Okay, and during this time it can also do this, but it doesn't mean we will be selling right here. It dropped till this 61.8% retracement, then from here it go back up there. It can do this. That's why I say book profits along the way. I gave my strategy today. Make sure, I'm not sure if people will be coming to my live streams or not. I made it public so that people can make money from it for themselves. So I made it public today. And I'm happy. Okay, I'm happy. Now at least if I don't come live or if I don't record videos or something, I will be sure that I have left something in the YouTube community, in the Forex community. So Forex Trading Strategy 2016 till 2026, 10 years. Make sure to check it out. Okay. Watch several times. This huge gap down video I uploaded for gold. Make sure later tonight watch it before you sleep. Deep discussions we had there. Well, yes, if one is scalping, then for scalping below this zone it is bearish. Back till right here, this is a scalping zone. 43 pips it is scalping. Even from right now, still 24 pips it can give. But this will be scalping. It has a stop loss of 18 pips. But market is too fast for scalping. Okay, if one wants to do it, and the RSI is also sort of like, so it can easily break because there are those bigger levels which are in play. See, bigger volume came in, that's why I'm telling you. When you come to the NY session, the setup is almost prepared for you. Okay, but I think it can just woo. Most traders think this way. This is big number, but today there is no volume, so why it will be breaking it anyways? 47.80 it can go. Okay, see below it couldn't sustain, so it is now bullish back as a scalping back to candle close above this, and then it will be a 50 pips of opportunity for quick scalping. See, but scalpings are so much in NY session. If one wants to scalp alone, can I can conduct a session later when the market closes. Okay, but they will be paid sessions then. During that time, with the 20 pips, one can easily make $2,000-3,000. Let's see. Okay, it broke. It is approaching this level. We are waiting for our sell area. If it reverses back till here, then we can potentially buy right here. Where all of you have gone? Just 2 pips in profit. This which trade it is? USD CAD sell. And my whole take profit is, this is a very relaxed type of a trade. Okay, 120 pips. So HK1s, what do you think? Why most traders don't learn? What can be the biggest reason why people don't learn? But they prefer to lose and want to become gamblers. And how to avoid ourselves from becoming a gambler? You are a beginner, you need to learn this at this stage, because later there will be some burden of the trades, then the trade management and all that. Good buying, scalping right here again. And now look at this one. We have seen a breakout on the 15-minute. Now as per this plan, it should take a retest right here and continue higher. But is it really that type of a market? We have to wait and see. Then we will know. Euro very slow today. Only gold moving nicely. But my friend, scalping do need learning. For example, saying it is that this candle closes green, now I'm going to take a buy trade and this is scalping. No, I'm not sure this way one can be successful. If one say I want to buy right here, I will say okay, put stop loss 30 pips right here and a take profit at least 1:1 it should give. Beautiful trade opportunity it is. Beautiful one, beautiful trend line, beautiful nice one. That's why I'm not yet selling. Okay, it can break this level as well. It can break this level. I'll be right back. Okay. Now, if we see here with a 38 pips of a stop loss, it is showing 100 pips of a take profit, but only once this breakout occurs. Okay, because above this trend line is bullish. Just give stop loss, and if the stop loss is good, this one was very scary for these traders who have stop losses right here. Maybe if I was into this trade by now, I would be closing it in 30 pips of a profit, because though the whole move is there, but I'm not that much greedy. Okay, 30 pips, yes, 30 pips in the morning, 10 in the evening, 30 in the evening, and 40 in the afternoon. Nice, 100 pips per day. Yes, just don't make it over complicated for yourself. Go nice, easy, in a flow. Remember, the more we make things refurbished and refined, the lethal it becomes. Yes, the lethal it becomes. Nice trade opportunity this is. Above 47.31, a very nice comeback of 47.41. Wow. Wow. I mean, like literally wow. How much it gave? It gave 70 pips. But still, the selling is a little bit early to me. Okay, even if I miss, I will definitely not be selling right here. Okay, I will not be selling. I will be even considering this for a selling. I'm not sure if I will be selling there or not, but considering it for a sell. Otherwise, break below this level, retest, and then I will see. I'm transparently showing these levels so everyone come to the stream, see the levels, run away. Let's see it. Okay, let's see on this template for the regular ones who are with me. I'm sure enough you have applied these lines on your charts. This template, I mean. But yes, on the 15-minute, I think if one wants to, well, I still think no. Still not a sell. Okay, no. Wow, as per this particular plan, the sell got activated. Back down till this trend line. Now this is trend line study. A lot of the things are going on at the same time in the market, my friends. Don't take it very lightly. I request you, don't take it lightly. I had no water break today. Here we go. Since morning 7 a.m. till now, so far I'm sitting on this chair. Even I had no lunch as well. This much work burden I have. And despite it, there are 100 other people waiting for me so that I manage their accounts. My friend, I should manage my own accounts or yours. Yes, that's something else. If one brings with $10,000, $20,000, then that's exceptional. In Dubai, there is a business model called pool management. I guess, no, sorry. A lot of people get together and they combine their money and they give it to a good forex trader, and that trader trade for them. I have good offers from there, but no, I'm comfortable in trading near 50,000, all the way from $2 right now. $2 I'm trading. With the $2, have a look at it. I'm holding a position. Do you want to see? Let me show you. The task for you, my friend, is invite 5 forex traders who are your friends. If you have no forex trader friend, then my friend, I think you need to make 5 forex friends. Give them the link of this stream, so I get a little bit happy as well. Only you and I in the stream, no one else. Just like in a desert there is a, what we say, a full storm gone. Everyone come here, see the stream, go, run away. And I don't know these tactics to play, okay? These tactics to play, to hook the viewer, to do this, that. I say anyone who is willing to change his life will stay with me. With proof, with everything. Right here. What I said in the morning, then what it did in right now. Simple. Why I'm not going near this market, though I know it is dropping, it is going up, from here it is going up, from here it is going up. Because for me this is a smaller story. I say okay, if I can get into a bigger story, I will get my take profit very immediately and I will be like out from the market. But if I focus on this particular sell right now, this particular buy, I will easily be get trapped. Then I will not be able to focus on this one, not on this one. Though this is 100% valid sell opportunity, my friend, a very crashing one, not an easy one. The next candle can open very sharp bullish as well. Keep this thing in mind. Part of trading till here. Royd and Morgan, my friend, you were right. Okay, it created a double top near 47.36. So now I think, and this trend line is broken. So let's see 47.24 now. 47.20 and maybe slightly lower as well. Okay. This candle may be a retest, a further sell, maybe continue from right here. 47.20 is the level. This is how trading is done, okay, in reality. TP around maybe 4700. This level is a little bit, sort of like, otherwise, yes, as per the proper Fibonacci stuff, this 47.17. So yes, 47.20, 47.17. This area, maybe a bigger crash can be expected as well. No, bigger crash is not, because we have a support, so we will be treating that differently. If one is still looking at it on a 1 minute as bullish, that person is wrong, okay, because it doesn't look bullish to me. 100% this 86 pips drop I see, and maybe it can extend, okay. See, okay, live, I'm telling you, live, it's going to do it. 44 pips already in profit. And look at this cat. Oh my friend, I wish my broker allows me to trade with this much money. My friend, I make good profit, okay? I make good profit. I teach people, but you know, expenses are this much. $3,000 go as this. This is the monthly expense. And still out of these $3,000, I even have no money to repair this house at the moment. So $3,000 is very good amount. Maybe my kids are a little bit over. I made them smaller accounts like $100, 100. So little by little, when I'm bored, when the market is not very good, I scalp right here like 30 cents of a profit, 40 cents of a profit, each account randomly. So two of my sons have collected good money, and for both of them I have purchased phones. $100 each, 100 each. Just like from this, $2-3. So they say, wow, Papa, you converted my $3 into this much. I said with patience, anything is possible in this market. So in 3 months, yes. See, like this 20 pips it's giving me, okay? Now if I close it and if I say I don't want to chase, let's move here. And I don't want to chase it right here. I'm in profit, and per day I take like such trades, 14 cents, 20 cents, like 5-6 trades I can get so easily. So the thing is, my friend, only realistic approach can save us, and I think I'm missing my level. 50% people close their sell positions from there. Man, 72 pips is not a bad profit. See, my trade is going in break even. 47.25. 47.25. TP1, yes. 47.25 already got hit. Exactly. Royden Morgan, yes. 50% got hit. Now another attempt might occur. If this attempt didn't occur, then we will say it is bullish. Okay, but right here an attempt is going to happen again. This will be 418 pips, but for that market has to go up, and it doesn't mean we start buying here. That market is going up there. This is a pure chance. If this is sharply go up, sharply it can come back down, hit, take profit. Still I will take it, or maybe right here, but the way it is coming down this level, I'm little bit, you know, these fears and these stuff we have. Yes, so same thing I feel as well. But obviously, I'm not going to trade with this $3 of my son's account. This is my son's account, and he will be asking me about this $3. "12 hours is completing on this chair." My friends, promise me you will be learning these things yourself. Literally, if I tell you I'm tired of these forecasts, I'm tired of these analysis, I'm tired of. I just want people to learn. I try, upload a educational video, get 20-30 views. Hardly 100-150 views. Then I get demotivated. Then if I say, if I only focus on the educational content, out there are traders who are stuck, who cannot see the market correctly. So they will miss these good live streams and stuff. Otherwise, see how much time I give to this channel. But my problem is I cannot go without these drawings and these stuff. When a new viewer come to the stream, they say, okay, these are the levels, they go away. This is I don't like. Remember, I'm not buying right here, okay? I'm buying right here. I think dollar CAD is moving nicely. So yes, I was saying, if I leave this grid, because I want to make 8.69 USD with a stop loss of $2.31. Sometimes I do this crazy stuff. It's good. Oh, why it is struggling right here? Why it is struggling? Because we already have seen that it has broke this level. See, we forget these things, my friends. So like on the trading view, I get very little charts. See, right here I have quickly I can access them. So that's why, my friend, it was struggling right here. Now, my friend, then from here I will only see it for 80 pips of a profit, maybe even less than that, a very quick one, 40 pips, but I then might not be interested in that. I'm not sure. I will be going to the hospital as well. My friend's mom has got a stroke yesterday. It is nicely approaching 47.21. See, friends are calling me. I'm not sure what they are saying. Oh, my friend. Oh, my dear friend, it was a fantastic one. Straight away 59 pips. Trade of the day, fantastic one. It has got crazy as well, the dollar CAD. Maybe let's see if we can see this crash. Wow, my friend, it will be fun. Earlier market was very slow, so let's see, but there is this level as well, so I am not sure if that is, but if it do it today, that will be fun. On this gold, it was very much fun, my friend. Let's see, we have, okay, straight 60 pips I got till here, left it. And this buy, my friend, that I was supposed to be taking with you, I think I missed. Now let's see if I was supposed to be selling something with you, but not in such situations. No, my friends, maybe the market gets crazy near this zone so people can buy it emotionally. No, I'm not that emotional person. Okay, no, I need a break above this proper one, so that will take time, and the market is very fast, so it's not going to stop. 47, 45, let's see. Already, no, my friends, it's too fast, it's too fast, it's too fast. Let me take it, let me take it. Let's see, let's see. Let's come on, 47.32. Come on, 47.32. Stop, move to break even. No, no, no. No, don't reverse. Don't reverse. Just hit 47.32. That's good. Fantastic, my friends. Fantastic. So see, immediately this buy was missed, this sell was got. Oh, perfect market, perfect conditions. Let's see what happened to this little trade. This was a very fantastic one, my friends. Beautiful one, beautiful one, beautiful one, beautiful one. Trade of the day, I should say. So this is that powerful strategy. See, when market gets crazy, I thought something is happening. It missed this level so that it can hit that level, and boom. Now right here, the bulls. Another story, would you like to see? There is a very beautiful story forming, if it forms. If it forms, my friend, then. Because if it doesn't form, then we do nothing. But no. Let's see, okay. Let's see. This story can be as this, okay. Maybe a sudden jump as this. Sudden jump, but too quick, because the sellers are in charge of the market, trying to take the market back down to 4700, and we have 4720 approximately. But looking at this volume, well, with this volume it will be sharply coming down, my friends, as expected, because after all, see, these are those liquidity things, okay. An immediate drop of 172 pips. I already got mine 100 pips. That's more than enough. Wow, I mean, like, I literally enjoyed this particular trade today, literally. Beautiful one. Again, another one is expected, okay. Another one is expected right here, right here. Let's see this time, if it hits, the reaction can be even further stronger. Let's see, let's see. It's closer to the level, closer to the level. Oh, rejected, rejected with immediate 40 pips of a rejection. Immediate, immediate. Now you say you lose money, you come to my strategy, you see how much profits you make. You will get tired of making profits. So anyways, what I was saying, this thing, okay, this thing, then the people will get exhausted inside this zone, okay. It can go into a range, there is that probability, and it also can continue till up there. But I'm like, see, The level is big, but the reaction should be bigger as well, okay? Because the reaction that I see at this place is all the way, my friend, pointing up till where? Till exactly at right here today. Exactly today. Not tomorrow, not day after tomorrow, not yesterday. Just today it will be showing us if it gets a break above this 47.30 again. Because see, I said at the start of the session, Asian session is already liquidity swept completely. Now if it break, it will mean that it is now truly bullish. Otherwise it's right here. This is that opportunity. Okay, this one, see this opportunity. So 60 pips is already gave, is not less. If one thinks is less, tell me why it is less. And by the way, this dollar CAD trade I'm holding, just pray for my son's account right here, okay? Little game I'm playing with him, okay? So this is, my friends, how it is. Let me head over to your chat if there is any. I speak a lot today, but finally we have got good setups. Did you get into it? Practice wise. This is failing, okay? Those who didn't book profit right here should leave break even. Anything can happen. Break even is right here. This is the next move expected, but if it doesn't happen, it will mean the market is doing something else. If it doesn't happen, it will mean this is 100% happen. So this is a zone of 165 pips, so nicely we can catch something for ourselves. But yeah, maybe I might not be trading further today, because this is more than enough for me for the day. Loki Victor, my dear friend, I'm good. You are these days not coming to the live streams. Are you upset or something? Great, HK Wines. Yes, that was okay. Oh, running profits, that great. Why you lost, my friend? In this beautiful market you lost. Why? Master Forex Sniper, what do we do now? Do I buy or sell? Well, my friend, try to join the stream early, okay? Because this sell zone I have already explained, this buy zone I already have explained. It already gave profits as well. Still it is giving further profits, further like till 47.30. But then 47.30 should not break above. If it break above, then I will say, my friend, my students are making very beautiful profits from these moves, because they are familiar with my system. You just try to get familiar with the system and the profit is all yours. How much time did I spend today? 1 hour 39. See, only 3 viewers I have, but still I came right here. So now on your part, this is your duty. Tomorrow you have to stay with me till the end. HK Wines, you are permanent viewer. Didn't you try to be regular? Volnes Volvic, you are regular, I know. Loki Victor, you also show up after a long time. So try to be with me right here, okay? 1 hour 41 minutes I spent, gave opportunities. If this is a level, I said this is a buy level. 96 pips is in front of us. This is a sell level. 232 pips is in front of us. So I think this is what a mentor can do. Okay, this is what a mentor can do, and this is my success. Bro, I just like to avoid going to the hospitals, but I have to see my friend. His mom is very critical. I will be staying with you more time, even in the London session, even in the recorded session. We are going to build, like, I need people like you. You are good ones, and I will be remembering you with your name forever. HK Wines, Dinchu, Loki Victor, Royden Morgan. Why? Because after all, you are my first viewers who really think that this strategy can change your life and is bringing positive change in your life. You are getting better in my live streams. When you come here, when you spend time, you get better, your levels get refined, everything. So I need people like you, and if more people like you join me, that will be good. Because you know, I don't like these thumbnails making and these thumb like clickbait. Do you know clickbait? People put wrong titles in the videos. I bought this much in 1 second. And how simple people are. They trust them. They trust them, my friends. And when you show them the real thing, they say, oh, what is this? And then 95% of the traders who come to me, anyone who once WhatsApped me any message, who just have a contact with me and said, I will buy your course, let's say. Even after 6-7 years, that person came to me and say, please teach me this. And in my live streams, it's free of cost completely. Beautiful market it is. I would definitely make more profits if I have more money in this account. So let's see, with the passage of time, if people donate or something, I can do that for this account. Maybe we can run a charity account and I can trade it right here. So if I teach as well, then we make money and then we distribute it among the poor live on camera with you. Because a lot of money can be generated. Even $1,000 of an account can change 100 people's of live right here, the way they drink water down there, down the canal. H4 finishing soon. Can you analyze gold with H4? Okay, didn't you, my friend? H4. Well, this is H4 level, my friend. Okay, this bigger drop you are asking. My friend, this bigger drop you are asking, huh? You really want to see a bigger drop? That is 4680, okay? But my friend, for that, this candle has to first break this one. Okay, once it break below this one, then we will say that okay, this bullish engulfing. Let me zoom in and see if the previous candle is bullish engulfing or not. See, strong bulls. Well, slightly bullish engulfing this is. So in such situations, my friend, H4 is bullish engulfing. See now, do your calculation. What do you think? But rest, it's market anything. My friend, what did I say? Just rewind 20 or how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just rewind this session by 12 minutes. What did I say? Or 15 minutes. Right here, what did I say? These things I know in advance. This is like beautiful money making day. Today it was. See, pinpoint 114 pips. Again 114 pips. And this sell obviously. And obviously this sell obviously. And now this buy, even if it hit the SL, no problem. Let it hit. Do you understand, my friend? Didn't you? Or not? HK Wines, you as well. And Loki Victor, you. And Walnis Volvic, you. All of you. Be active in the chat right here, please. Okay. Sir, is this now a buy zone according to the 15-minute trend line break? 15-minute trend line break. Just one moment, okay? I need to sneeze. Oh, 15-minute trend line break, and you are asking for what? For trend line break. Buy zone. Trend line break on the 15-minute. You are. Let's open a little bit fresh chart, okay? Still this test is going on, okay? This is its support. This is very tiny stuff, okay? On the 15-minute now, let's see a little bit. But 15-minute and H4 has a sort of a confluence together. This is pro stuff, but I'm telling you, let's read this for now. Let's understand it. This is H4, okay? Let's make the chart as this. Scale fix. Nice. Beautiful. Perfect. If we see this on the H4, it is as this. And this level got broken approximately near this zone. And this zone is now in play. I mean, like exactly, it might not be falling down. It can create some false patterns right here and stuff like that. But there will be this opportunity as well, okay? Because if this trend line is broken, then market will be approaching 46.37 again. Clear? And there is this short-term rally which tells us that as far as on the lower time frame market is above this, it will be going back up there. And this is what's happening inside this zone. Clear? Maybe a stop loss can hit as well right here for this time, and maybe a take profit, because market has again gone into a distribution phase. Earlier I said at the start of this stream, make sure to check it out. A very different distribution phase it is right here. So another attempt now, finally breaking it, because this is such a big level. It will be attempting. It will be trying to break it. But does that mean we sell all the way from here? No. Selling was right here till here, fine. Now break below, retest, continuation. Then right here on the retest will be a sell. Properly wait. If I'm live, we can catch it together. But till at this price point is bullish. This much we need to understand. Didn't you? Thank you. Thank you for giving me such beautiful titles, my friend. Thank you. Let's see. So I was saying, yes, if it dropped till here, yes, this will be a bigger buying area. 46.80 it can be, okay. For now, we are looking at it on the 1 minute and it's still bullish. At least till here, because this is such a place, if it break above, my friend, it can create this whole area complete mess. Every liquidity owner, every bank, every hedge fund will get activated if it breaks. $1,000 pips of a crocodile is still sitting in this market. Okay, 1,000 pips overnight. How many people lost in their overnight trades on Friday? Then I tell you, choose good brokers. And not just the brokers. Why you leave your position for the over the weekend? Do all your trading, make money, and just on Friday evening try to pack up, enjoy, go out with friends, with family, have dinner, enjoy. 2 days you have, Saturday and Sunday you are completely free, relax, enjoy your life. Remember, anyone who has money, even at least let's say 5k, and understand Forex, don't go anywhere else. Gold is enough for you. Okay, learn it, apply it. Once you get master, with a 5k you can earn decent profits. Okay, by decent I mean like with a 5k account, 1,000 to $2,000 a month. I mean even $1,000 is still 20%, 25%. And not sitting all day long. Okay, not sitting. See, I come right here in the live stream, do this and that, and book my share and leave. Then this is how I do it. And actually this is how I like it, I should say. Okay, this is how I like it. Just one moment. Okay, little quick setting I'm going to do today. Try to come every day to the live stream. Okay, you will be taking something with you to your home. Look at my USD CAD trade. Oh, I was supposed to be buying from here, then what was that due to which I changed my mind? Well, it can still reverse on me. Okay, but I mean at least till at this place tomorrow it can come further 25 pips. Well, that will be good, not bad. So let's see, then tomorrow I will decide whether I want to close it near here if the stop loss was not hit, because this level, you see, it seemed a little bit trouble area to me. This level already a rejection present, so maybe a rejection back to the trend line and then a drop, but who knows, it can break above and story change, move to the gold. So I was doing quick settings right here, and what were those quick settings? Wow, I mean I literally enjoy trading today, though There was no news today, my friend. No news. Beautiful. And despite, let's say, of these levels, if one lost today, I think you guys really need psychological one-on-one sessions. 3 months it will take. You need to understand your own self first. Okay, and then you need to work on yourself. Wow, 13 pips it's giving me. The dollar CAD. What do you think? This 2.31 dollar can I grow into $10? What do you think? Can I? But only if I close this trade right now, I will be able to do that. Because I want to take quick profits from the market. If I leave it, it can later reverses on me, because this level seems like again a 22 pips up move right here is expected. So wow, the market seems getting better, so why not taking some buying right here if I can. 3.34 the account is at the moment. Okay, $2 per day is my target on this account. In the morning I hit $2 1.75 USD on this one, but then I did some bad decisions and then this happened. So now only 1. How much? 1.7 1.69 I need, and then I will reach to my morning's target level. So let's see if it reaches here, and if it is reverses back, then I can catch another sell. Side by side I will be looking at this gold as well. See, $1 it hit. I just need one more dollar and then my targets will be hit. And look at the account. Okay, look at the account behind the webcam. Basically I want to tell you that it doesn't always is about the equity. One can easily grow. So let's see, I'm taking this challenge. If I can increase it or decrease it. Market C is trying for a bearish attempt. How do we know? Market was supposed to go up there, gave this candle, is going for a crash down. So maybe then the dollar CAD can reverse on me. Wow, what type of a situation I'm stuck in. Gold is crashing down to 4700 and near 4700 again we will be buying. Okay, and these sellers, wow my friends, how much did you made? 50%, and rest of it continue. But let's see, it is not yet, we don't know, stops are above the trend line. Yes sir, you shall make an account of $25 and start a challenge on live stream itself, seeing how much returns can you make. $25, let's see. I need at least minimum $500 to trade gold. If not 500, at least 200 will be enough. That will be a good challenge, turning $200 into $1000. But I need sponsors for that. I will need sponsors for that. This entry, if you see, is already a bit late, though it was from there, but I already made profit from this one. So well my friends, I think I'm slightly getting FOMO right here. FOMO means FOMO in the sense I want to just leave this trade because slightly I'm afraid that maybe it cannot. But then when I see this H4, it seems so much promising down till here. So let's wait a little bit more for it. During this time I can go into a drawdown as well. This profit market can take it from me. Okay, and then there is this level as well. See this. So at least till this much it should come till tomorrow. If not, then this is like 85 pips of a take profit it will be. But I'm slightly afraid of this level as well. You see this level where I have shown you, this one. Let's see gold, maybe a false breakout. No, I'm taking this sell till here. Stop very tight, 20 pips. No, I'm leaving near break even, taking more than expected, so it can shoot up. Nice drop on the dollar CAD. But I'm still afraid from this level. And I'm still thinking, and this is also happening to everyone. Shall I take this buy and book this 24 pips as well and then focus on this sell? Because every decision has its own consequences. If I leave right here the position and the market never reverses, the first thing is I will miss my move. Good move. Let's say if I don't close right here and the market reverses, I will say, oh, I should have closed it. Now it reverses on me and I should have booked a buy trade right here. It used to happen to me most of the time. Now I'm used to it. I don't get afraid. Okay, I don't get afraid at all. Gold is straight up and straight down. Okay, don't trade further. Okay, don't trade it further because anything can happen. There is this big level as well. So my friends, take a lot of care of yourself. I will tell you tomorrow what I did about this trade then. Okay, and make sure to check out my recorded videos. They are full of information. Don't skip, and don't ever skip the videos. Watch in full, share with your friends, try to make friends, Forex friends, and my telegram link, WhatsApp me, I will give you, you can join that as well. Okay, so take care and see you in another update. Goodbye.